12 modules of cyber security applications. 3 modules I have completed. Now I am moving to cloud computing. Best algorithms I am going to demonstrate now. So in cloud computing, I have explained already 543 formula, 5 characteristics, OB R square M, on-demand computing, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, measured service, and short form of types of clouds, P square HC, private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. Then major services of cloud computing, SPI. Any doubts in 12 modules, you can ask me. I'm going to clarify. SPI stands for Software as a Service, Platform as a Service, Infrastructure as a Service. Now, what are the top 10 algorithms of cloud computing? The first algorithm I'm using, MapReduce, K-means clustering, genetic algorithm, and ant colony optimization, particle swarm optimization, support vector mission. Because of time, I am moving. Random forest. These are the algorithms. Now I am going to execute a MapReduce programming model. Please see here, all of you. I am sharing this code. MapReduce. What I have done in the MapReduce, first define the map function. I am multiprocessing. I'm installing library called multiprocessing. Then define the map function, perform some operations on the data, add the result to the list of results, define the reduce function, perform some operations on the result, then generate some test data, split the data into chunks for processing, initialize a pool of worker processes, apply the map function to each chunk of data in parallel, combine the mapped results using the reduce function. Now see, now I am going to demonstrate this practical. CLS, clear the screen, notepad space, MapReduce.py. So this program I am sharing in the group chat. Please, you can also execute and ask me any doubts related to any function, any library. I am going to clarify. Now see, I am executing Python space MapReduce.py. I got final result 110. So this is the way I am executing all the programs. Sir, how much time is there, sir, so that I can plan for remaining programs? 12 modules. How much time is there, sir? Hello, sir.
Sir, actually 12 o'clock, sir. 12 o'clock, sir. You can proceed with 5 to 10 minutes, sir.
Okay, madam. I'll wind up within 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you, madam, for giving me this time.
Okay.
Yeah, my dear participants, next move to the next module, information security. What are the top 10 algorithms are there in information security? See here, AES, RSA, DES, SHA, and MD, message digest, elliptic curve cryptography, and triple data encryption standard 3 DES algorithm, Diffie-Hellman key exchange, pretty good privacy algorithm. So this is the algorithm. I'm going to share with you this PPT. Don't worry. I'm going to share with you. Python program that performs AES encryption using cryptography. Then network security. What are the algorithms are there? Top 10 algorithms. AES, RSA, Diffie-Hellman, and hashing algorithms, SHA, secure socket layer, transport layer. Okay. So pretty good privacy algorithm, Kerberos, digital signature algorithm, and virtual private network, etc. So to perform digital signature algorithm, DSA in Python, you can use the cryptography library. This is the program I have executed, and the signature is valid. Okay. Next, cryptography. In cryptography, what are the top 10 algorithms of cryptography? AES, RSA, Diffie-Hellman, Blowfish. Then HMAC, hash-based message authentication code, elliptic curve cryptography, secure hash algorithm, reversed Shamir Adalman. These are the top 10 algorithms. This is the execution. I kept all the programs in the slide itself. I'm sharing with coordinator. You can execute. So Diffie-Hellman algorithm. Then SHA algorithm, write a Python program for secure hash algorithm.